Hey there everyone! Today I'm here to walk you through how to check deleted messages on WhatsApp. It's a quick and easy process whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device. First things first, open up your WhatsApp app. Once you're in, let's say you accidentally deleted a chat. No worries, you can retrieve it, depending on when you last backed up that chat. Now, let's tap on the three dots located at the top right corner of the chat screen. From there, tap on Settings. Scroll down and find Chats under the Privacy section. Tap on it. Next, we're going to dive into Chat Backup. Here, you'll see your latest backup date and time. To retrieve deleted messages, you can simply restore your WhatsApp to that backup date. Easy, right? If you've already backed up and want to restore from that backup, here's how. First, tap on Remove App and then uninstall WhatsApp from your device. Now, head over to the Google Play Store, download and install WhatsApp again. During the setup process, WhatsApp will detect the backup and prompt you to restore from it. And just like that, you've recovered all those deleted messages. I hope this walkthrough proves helpful. If it did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Your support means the world to me. Until next time, take care.